What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today is a beautifully sunny Sunday, but it's super windy out there. So today we're gonna be doing our little Sunday project in the garage. And it's something that's not super huge, but I think it's gonna be a nice little tester kind of project. And what we're gonna be doing is we're actually gonna be changing these chrome emblems to black using a product that I've used for years for this project, and that is Plastidip. I've used this stuff on so many projects over the years. If you've watched my channel when I had the EcoBoost Mustang, we used it on all the emblems for that at one point, and I ended up keeping it on the rear pony emblem, and it was great for like 3 years. However, I'm not completely sold if I want black emblems on this car or not. So I think Plastidip is gonna be the perfect solution as of right now to test it out, since we added the front splitter and we added the RTR rear spoiler. I think that the car would benefit from black badging. As you can see here, we have like the black inlay on the chrome, and I think with the whole way the back end is set up here, I think the black badging would look pretty nice. Same thing goes for on the sides as well. I think completely black would look pretty good. So we're gonna test it today. If we love it and I wanna get the real emblems just molded in black, I'll do that, but they're like 200 bucks for everything. And instead of doing that and spending $200, I spent $7 on the Plastidip can, and we'll see how it goes. So anyways, guys, with all that talking out of the way, let's get the car kind of masked off here. We'll go through, we'll paint them up, we'll see what we think, and at the end of the day, if we don't like it, we can peel it off. Yeah, shake it up, boys, shake it up. Oh, I also got these as well to help mask off the area here. Plastidip, you can get it off if you overspray, but if it's not thick enough, it makes it pretty difficult to peel off. So we're gonna use these along with some painter's tape, and it should make it pretty dang easy. So let's get to masking. And actually, before we mask this up, I'm gonna go through, we're gonna clean the badges here, and I'm gonna use just a little microfiber cloth and some of this pre-dip spray. This stuff I've had from other projects a while back, and it works pretty good. It kind of foams up, and yeah, I don't know, it should be good enough to clean them off. I was gonna wash the car prior to doing this, but I don't want any residual water left in behind the badges or anything while I'm painting. So I think the best way to do this is we'll clean the badges with the car completely dry, even though it's kind of dirty right now. We'll just clean it with this and hope for the best. All right, give her a little misty mist right onto the freaking radiator. Smell that. All right, so now that we have it all masked up here, I think what I'm gonna do is just cut out a section here, and that way we can tape it down to the grill itself, and then we'll create another kind of layer around the badge of tape. That way we can pull it off pretty quickly after we're done painting. So I think that's what we'll do. Okay, I think that looks pretty good, pretty good. Now, we don't need to have this perfect, because really what I'm shooting for here, if you can see, is that I'm gonna be covering just the silver part with the matte Plastidip. I don't really care if it gets on this black outer bit here. I'm gonna try to peel that off anyway. So I think if we can get it to lay right, we'll be able to kind of pull off the section that's kind of in between the silver and this black piece, and that way it looks pretty clean overall. I'll try to have to get it out of here too, because I'm not going to take the time to mask that off. So I think this will be good. I just didn't want a whole bunch of this Plastidip getting behind this emblem onto the radiator and all that crap. So we are looking pretty good. So let's give it a try, and we'll see how it turns out. Good enough. All right, that's all we're gonna do for the first coat. You gotta go really light on the Plasti Dip for the first one. So just looks really speckled right here, but that's only the first one. We're probably gonna do like 5 of these babies. So while this is drying up, let me mask off the other sides here and we'll start painting those as well. I think we're ready for another coat on the front pony. Tester. All right, that's all we're doing, guys. We're gonna keep it easy. Light coats, light coats. Let's move on to over here. We'll put 1 coat on this one. Tester. All right, that's all we're doing. Super light. I'm gonna miss the red there though. The red dot. However, maybe we do a grabber blue dot. Ah, maybe. All right, light coats, light coats. Tester. Okay, that's all we're doing. We'll let it dry and come back to it. All right, I think we have enough coats on there. It's looking pretty good. Let me show you what we got real quick. The front badge is looking nice, looking pretty smooth, actually. The sides are looking pretty good as well. There's a little bit of a texture to the Plasti Dip there, but it's not too bad. I think I'm gonna call it, I don't even know what coat this is. I think this is 5 or 6. I did a lot of little light coats. This might be 6 or 7. It's somewhere around there. See, I did the same thing on this one, so we can just peel all the way around it. Should be pretty easy. And I got a new little helper over here. Milo came to join us. Buddy, how you doing? Say hi to everybody. Yeah, he's loving it in the sun. But yeah, a couple more minutes and we should be done. Hey, you gotta stay up there. What do you think you're doing? Oh, you got yourself a thong going on, my man. Let me fix that for you. There you go. Oh, come on. All right. Jesus. All right, couple more minutes and we'll take a look at the final product. I'm pretty happy with it so far, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. All right, guys, check it out. I spent a little bit of time just peeling off the excess dip. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but that is what the pony is looking like. I have a little bit more to do in the crevices here, but I'll take care of that off camera. I also did all this peeling and touching up off camera as well. It just takes too long and it's not very interesting, but this is what the badges look like up close. I think they look pretty good, man. Same thing on the other side, as you can see right here. So pretty decent. Got a little bit to clean up down here on the paint, but being that the car's ceramic coated and everything, super easy to take up the Plasti Dip. Well, guys, there you have it. The badge is completely done in the back, and so that is gonna round out kind of this project. I think it came out great for just kind of a quick DIY kind of project here, and the best part is, like I said, we can take it all off if we don't like it. But honestly, I'm liking it so far. Let me give you a couple of little glamour shots here once I have the car cleaned up and you guys can see what it's all about. But yeah, man, I'm happy with it. And for now, that's all I got for you. So we will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day. Enjoy these couple shots and we'll see you in the next one. All right, bye guys.